So here is a Japanese meme that I found on Reddit that I want to translate, but in just a few clicks, I'm gonna translate the entire thing without copy pasting, without downloading any software, or without putting into ChatGPT. I can just do it all within Google Chrome. I can immediately translate the entire image into text and then understand what it means. Hello, this is JJ. If you want to learn more practical ways to use AI, make sure to subscribe for more. So to use Google Lens, I just showed you, you can just go up to your tab here and click on it. Click on the link, and then you will see a small Google Lens here hiding in it. So once you click Google Lens, then it will scan the entire tab, and you can see it by this small Google Lens icon, and you can either highlight it if you want more than one text, and then as you can see, you can just highlight it, and then you can just click select text or translate. For me, I just want to click on translate, and as you can see, it translated the entire thing. So I can just change it to all these different languages. The great part I like about Google Translate is that you can actually show how to pronounce it, so I can learn how to pronounce it when I'm learning Japanese, which is really useful. And you can see it can just immediately highlight all this text that is in the image. So I'm currently using Google Lens, and the way how Google Lens do this is using an AI called optical character recognition, or OCR. It basically takes in an image and then identify the text within it by using strokes and common known letters. So here, let's say I have a product that is in a foreign language. I want to understand what the product says. So I can easily just click back on my, highlight my link, and then you'll see a Google Lens icon here. So just click it, and then it will highlight my entire page for me. And then I can just drag, let's say I want to know what this means. I drag it. I can also adjust the crop to only crop what I want, and then it will immediately search for me. And then if I want to go do more, I'll just click on translate, and as you can see, it immediately translate for me. So for example, this is also a video, and I want to learn what this means. This is actually a news network. I can just right click and then search with Google Lens, and then it will highlight my page, and then I can just highlight the text that I want to translate. And you can highlight the text in the image, which you previously can't. As you can see, you can highlight even a very small text, and then it will immediately look for it, but I just want to translate it. So as you can see, I now know it's called Kakuyo Kosho, and it means ministerial negotiation. So you can also pin your Google Lens. So once you open your Google Lens, you'll see here the Google Lens is right here, and then you can see this small pin icon at the top right corner. Just click on pin, and now it is pinned on your taskbar. So if you cross it, you can see it is still right here. So you can just click it immediately, and then you can just scan everything again. Very easy. I also want to let you guys know that image quality is very important to use Google Lens or any OCR tool such as ChatGPT to analyze what's inside the image. So for example, if the image is very small like that, even I can't see it, of course the AI can't see it as well. So let's say if I want to translate this small little text, so I click on my Google Lens and I try to translate it here, it won't be able to detect any text. So as you can see, it is too blurry and you can't really see much. So what you gotta do is just try to zoom in as much as possible, and then do a Google Lens, and right now it can the translate text will appear, and also the select text, and you can do anything with it now. And let's say if you have a lot of text that you can't use Google Lens to translate, another short tip is that you can just go to the right corner here, and then you see this small little icon called translate this page, and just click on it, and then it will detect it's Japanese and you just want to translate to English, so you click on English, and then it will translate everything to English. Unfortunately, it still can't translate the image, so you need to use Google Lens for that. And as you can see, it translated pretty accurate. So it's not 100% accurate, but it is still good enough. Thank you very much for watching. If you find this content valuable, make sure to give me a thumbs up and comment down below what you use Google Lens for in your everyday life. See you in the next video and have a great evening.